Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Mop and Glow is probably one of the most iconic floor cleaners out there, promising a sparkling clean and a fresh scent with every use. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Mop and Glow, testing its cleaning power, ease of use, and overall value to see if it's the right choice for your home. Get ready to discover if this classic cleaner still holds its own in today's market. Number 5. EXEGO Spray Mop for Hardwood Floor Cleaning. This microfiber spray mop comes with reusable pads, making it a sustainable choice. You can simply wash them instead of constantly buying disposable ones. It's a great way to clean your floors while helping the environment. Unlike traditional mops, this one has a refillable bottle. You can add your preferred cleaning solution, saving you money and giving you more control. Plus, it doesn't require batteries, making it simple to use. The mop is easy to assemble, and the spray function works perfectly. The pole is sturdy, so you can apply pressure without worry. It provides excellent coverage for a thorough clean. This mop is a lifesaver for cleaning hardwood, tile, and other floor types. It's lightweight and features a spray bottle with a trigger. Just be sure to dilute strong cleaning agents before use. The microfiber pads are reusable and fit for Swiffer Power Mop, saving you money in the long run. It's easy to assemble and disassemble for storage or transport. A small amount of water may remain in the bottle from testing. Clean the water tank and nozzle after use. Avoid using boiling water or strong detergents. Dilute cleaning solutions fully with water. Concentrated solutions may corrode the mop. There are 2 small silicone plugs on the bottle cap. Be careful not to lose them to prevent leaks. What we like? This spray mop features reusable pads, saving you money and reducing waste. It also comes with a refillable bottle, allowing you to use your preferred cleaning solution. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and cost-effective way to clean your floors, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Mop and Glow is easy to use. It leaves a nice shine. It cleans well. Number 4. Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Polish Restorer Combo. This combo pack uses microfilling technology to remove scratches. It also forms a protective, scratch-resistant layer, helping to keep your floors looking their best. You can use it on any finished hardwood surface. It rejuvenates the shine without leaving any sticky residue behind. It's a simple way to refresh your floors. The ready-to-use formula is safe to use around kids and pets. You don't have to worry about harmful chemicals. It's designed to be gentle yet effective. It simplifies your cleaning routine. You can clean the surface while also extending the life of your wood floors in just one easy step. It's that simple. It's designed for finished hardwood, engineered hardwood, vinyl, and laminate floors. You can even use it with refillable squirt mops. Make sure your floors are finished before use. What we like? This cleaner and polish combo removes scratches and leaves a protective layer, restoring shine to your hardwood floors. The formula is safe for use around kids and pets. If you have high traffic areas or want to rejuvenate your floors, this product is ideal. What people say. The wash works great on 30-year-old floors. The polish is excellent. I used 3 coats and there was no stickiness. Has a beautiful, hard shiny finish. It cleaned off all the grime and left my hardwood floors looking absolutely spotless and shiny. It restored that new floor glow without leaving a sticky residue behind. I'm really impressed with the Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner and Polish Restorer combo. Both products are so easy to apply, you just squeeze them directly onto the floor and apply with a mop. The cleaner was simple to work in with a damp mop and did a great job preparing the surface. After that, once fully dried, I applied the restorer polish using a dry mop. It only took about 10 minutes to spread it evenly, and after leaving it to dry for an hour, I added a second coat. The results were fantastic. It brought my 15-year-old oak flooring back to life with a lovely mid-sheen finish. The floors look refreshed and cared for again. Number 3. JOYMOOP Hands-Free Flat Mop and Bucket Set. This all-in-one flat mop and bucket system features 2 separate chambers for washing and drying. The scraper blades in each chamber help remove dirt and excess water. It's designed to make your cleaning easier. This self-cleaning mop reduces your time and effort. It simplifies mopping by keeping you away from dirty water. Just insert and pull the mop for a clean experience. The 360-degree rotating mop head allows you to reach any corner. The adjustable stainless steel handle extends from 26.5 to 60.9 inches. This makes it suitable for cleaning walls and other hard-to-reach areas. All components fit inside the bucket for easy storage. When not in use, it can be stored in a corner without taking up much space. The wash side has a volume around 5.6 L. The mop head is 13.0 by 4.9 inches and comes with 4 reusable microfiber pads. These pads have strong water absorption for both wet and dry cleaning. It's recommended to replace the pads every 1 to 2 months depending on use. What we like. This mop and bucket set offers a hands-free ringing system, making cleaning easier and more efficient. The 360-degree rotating mop head reaches every corner, and it comes with reusable microfiber pads. If you want a convenient and effective cleaning system, this is the one for you. What people say. It cleans and shines the floors. It is easy to use. The shine lasts for a long time. Number 2. Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner. This cleaner is specifically designed to leave your floors sparkling without any streaks or dullness. It ensures a clean, polished look every time you use it. You can use it on any finished hardwood surface. It rejuvenates the shine of your floors, leaving no sticky residue behind. The product is made with plant-based ingredients, making it safe for kids and pets. You can let them walk on the floor after it dries. For long-lasting results and a beautiful shine, use this cleaner with Weiman high-traffic hardwood floor polish. It will keep your floors looking their best. It is designed for finished hardwood, engineered hardwood, vinyl, and laminate floors. It can also be used with refillable squirt mops. What we like. This cleaner provides streak-free cleaning and is safe for kids and pets. It can be used on any finished hardwood surface. If you are looking for a reliable and safe cleaner for your hardwood floors, you should consider this. What people say. The quality of this product is amazing. Hands down, I use this one a month on my wooden floor and it completely restores them back to a beautiful polished clean floor. The smell is not overpowering, yet it cleans my hardwood floors so well. Does not leave them shiny but just a nice matte clean. Great, dries quickly, good value for your money, and it cleans well the wood floors and it lives a shine to them. Number 1. Mop and Glow Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner, Pack of 3. This floor cleaner does it all. It cleans, shines, and protects your floors in one easy step. It's a quick and convenient way to get beautiful results. Get an unbeatable shine with this product. It adds extra shine to your floors, making them look their best. You'll love the way your floors gleam. This cleaner not only shines but also seals out dirt and protects your floors. It helps keep your floors looking cleaner for longer. It's a great way to maintain your floors. It's safe for use on tile, vinyl, hardwood, marble, linoleum, ceramic, and no-wax floors. You can use it on various surfaces throughout your home. This versatility makes it a great choice. Achieve beautiful floors effortlessly. This product simplifies floor care, giving you stunning results with minimal effort. It's the easy way to a beautiful home. What we like. This multi-surface cleaner shines, seals out dirt, and protects your floors in one step. It is safe for various floor types, including tile, vinyl, and hardwood. If you like a quick and convenient way to clean and protect your floors, this is the product for you. What people say. It cleans and shines the floor. It is easy to use. It leaves a nice shine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.